ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Sairam. As a better human being, we must always try to be in the company of virtuous people. What do you mean, virtuous people? The virtuous people means always people those who have got good thoughts and good deeds, good actions, good speech. Who can be a such person is nobody else other than our Guru. So, to explain this, I can give a small incident which happened in a village in Karnataka. There was a great saint by name Kanakadasa who belongs to a lower caste also at that time. He was having much inclination towards Guru Sishya Bhava, and he was very much interested to know about the Almighty. Since he belongs to a lower caste and no one was ready to accept him as a Shishya or as a disciple, so he chosen to be standing outside of a Guru's home where he was teaching about Almighty, the Veda Sutras and all in Sanskrit, a Brahmin Guru. So Kanakadasa used to stand outside of his home and listen to his words and take notes or by heart whatever his Gurus is saying. So by that he became very expert than any other student who belongs to higher communities, and those had the opportunity to stay inside the Guru's home and learned things from there. But Guru wanted to show all these disciples that how Kanakadasa is brilliant in studies and in devotion to Lord to other disciples, those who were studying within the classroom, whereas Kanakadasa was standing outside his home and learning things from outside the home only. So one day it so happened the Guru offered one banana to all the disciples who were present inside the classroom, and he gave one banana to Kanakadasa also through someone to him. So, and he told all the students to eat that banana without the knowledge of anyone else. So, you just come tomorrow and let me know what all you did and where did you eat. So all the students came to say that I eat in the bathroom, I ate in the kitchen, I ate in the midnight, I went to the forest and ate. Like that many people told that they have eaten the bananas without anybody's knowledge. But Kanakadasa brought back the banana to say that he couldn't find any place which is where the Lord is invisible. The Lord is visible everywhere. So wherever I go, I am visualizing the presence of Lord Almighty. I am experiencing the omnipresence of Almighty, and hence I could not find a place where there is no God. Hence I was not able to eat. And he gave back the banana to his Guru. Then Guru explained that time to all the people to say how he has taken up my lesson, you see. even though he belongs to low community. It is all, depends on how much devotion he has, how much devotion he has, and how long he takes the opportunity to be in the virtuous communication of the Guru. So, hence, what we take from this incident, that whenever you are in the virtuous communication of people, those who have got good virtues, so it is clearly, the outcome of it will be clearly the best of anyone could expect. So this is a great example. People should always try to be in good communication with people of good virtuality. Thank you.
ॐ श्री